How to start a profitable biomass pellets from bio-waste manufacturing business. We are glad you're here. Today, we are focusing on an interesting business opportunity that doesn't only promises profit, but also helps to ensure a sustainable and long-term future. This is the production of biomass pellets made from bio-waste. Are you an entrepreneur searching to create a successful and rewarding business? This video is the one ideal for you. What are biomass pellets? Biomass pellets are a sustainable energy source that is made of organic substances like agricultural leftovers, wood waste and various other bio-waste. They are a reliable green substitute for fossil fuels that are used to heat as well as power generation and cooking in certain areas. What is the reason? Biomass pellets are made using bio-waste. Sustainability. By converting biomass into pellets, we can reduce landfill waste and greenhouse gas emissions, thus promoting an environment that is cleaner. Renewable energy. Biomass pellets can be an alternative source of energy that is renewable that reduces our dependence on the depletion of fossil fuels. Economic viability. With rising energy costs, biomass pellets provide an affordable solution to heating and power, while ensuring constant demand. Promising market prospects for biomass pellets generated from bio-waste. The green energy alternative. The global market for biomass pellets is expected to increase dramatically in the next few decades, fueled by the increasing the demand for energy from renewable sources. Industries and governments across the globe are investing in biomass energy, resulting in an abundant marketplace for biomass pellets. The reason entrepreneurs should start manufacturing business biomass pellets using bio-waste. Low cost of raw materials. Bio-waste is typically cheap in some cases, thus reducing your production costs by a significant amount. Government support. Many governments offer incentives and grants for renewable energy projects, such as the production of biomass pellets. Employment creation. The setting up of a biomass pellet production plant can create jobs and contributes to the local economy. Environmental impact. Carbon neutral. The biomass pellets produced by biomass emit less than fossil fuels, which helps in tackling climate change. Waste management. Making use of bio-waste to make pellets reduces negative environmental impacts of garbage disposal. Production process. The collection of raw materials. Gather bio-waste from forestry, agriculture as well as industrial and other sources. Processing. Prior to processing, clean and dry the raw materials in order to guarantee the highest quality pellets. Pelletizing. Make use of a pelletizer to crush bio-waste to pellets. Packaging and cooling. Cool the pellets and then package them for distribution. Challenges and solutions. Initial investment. Although the initial setup costs can be expensive, government grants and loans can help ease the burden. Quality control. Consistent quality control is vital. Make sure that you have strict quality control and invest in reliable equipment. Marketing competition. Complete market study and identify unique selling points to make your mark. Conclusion. Start a manufacturing business for biomass pellets made from bio-waste could be a lucrative chance for entrepreneurs. This is a business that offers substantial economic returns, but also helps create an environmentally sustainable future. If you are interested in embarking on a greener adventure, don't hesitate to get in touch with NPCS for advice from a professional. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, and follow us on Twitter to get more insights from entrepreneurs.